Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying what your monitor accepts and why that matters. HDMI carries video and audio, VGA only video. Once you know the port, power everything off so you avoid handshake or hot plug issues. Plug the chosen cable into the Xbox 360 HDMI or AV adapter, then into the monitor. If the monitor has no speakers, make sure to plan an audio feed, either external speakers, a headset, or an HDMI audio extractor, so sound isn't lost when you boot. Once done, turn the monitor on and select the input you wired. Then boot the Xbox 360 so they can negotiate a signal. On the console, go to Display Settings and choose a resolution that matches the monitor. 720p is common, 1080p if supported, because matching resolutions avoid scaling artifacts. Make sure refresh rate and aspect are correct for a 16:9 screen. Next, set the audio output. Choose HDMI audio, optical digital, or route to external speakers so you get synced sound. You finish by fine-tuning. Adjust overscan or screen position in both monitor and Xbox display menus, and tweak color, brightness, and sharpness to remove edge cropping or crushed blacks. Make sure motion and latency feel right for gameplay. If nothing appears, power cycle both devices and receipt cables, because a loose connector is the usual culprit. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the monitor stays blank, swap cables or inputs, then try a different HDMI to DVI or VGA adapter to isolate the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.